Good morning, everyone. In yesterday's class, we have learned about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Okay, we have seen that every composite number, any number, a bigger number or a smaller number, can be written in the terms of the prime factors. Okay, the prime factors cannot be written, like cannot be simplified any further. Okay, based on that we have exercise, and we have also learned about the highest common factor, that is HCF. In today's exercise we will be learning about the LCM and the HCF. Okay, in the first question he gave us express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. So here 140 is there. So 140, how did we write it? First, as it is ending with a 0, we know that it's an even number. It's an even number. So we can easily find the factors by with 2. Okay, so 2 sevens are 14 and 2 zeros are 0. Now it's again an even number. Therefore, 2 threes are 6. 1 will be there here. 10. That means 2 fives are 10. Now this is a odd number. That means we cannot take it in 2 table. So let us go for 3. Can we get 35 in 3 table? No, we cannot. And 4? No, we cannot get it. Okay, because in 4 table also we don't get 35. 5 as the last digit number. So let us go for 5 table, which is 5 sevens are 35 and 7 ones are 7. Therefore, here the prime factors of 140 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. That is this one. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 1. We don't consider 1 here. That's not so important. So 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square. Therefore 140 in terms of prime factors we can write it as 2 square into 5 into 7. Okay. Now second one is 156. Again 156 is an even number. So we can easily divide it with 2. So 2 sevens are 14, 1 will be remain here 16, 2 eights are 16. Again 78 is what? Uneven number. Therefore we get it by 2. 2 threes are 6, 1 will be remain 18, 2 nines are 18. And this is 39, where it is an odd number, we cannot get it in 2 tables. So we shall go for 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, we got it. And 13, as you know 13 is a prime number directly. So we cannot simplify it anymore. Therefore 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. That is 2 square into 3 into 13. Okay, and this is the third one, 3825. Okay, 3825 is an odd number. 3825 is an odd number and we cannot take in 2 table. Let us try in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 will be remain, 2 is there here. 3 sevens are 21, 1 will be remain here 15, 3 fives are 15. Again 1275 is an odd number, we cannot take 2. Let us try with 3 again. 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6, 1, that is 15, 3 fives are 15. Again 425 is an odd number. Therefore 425 we cannot take it in 3 table, like 3 ones are 3, 1 will be remain, 3 fours are 12. 5 will be remain, which will not be coming in 3 table. So we'll be taking in 4 table also, we won't get as it is an odd number. So we shall go for 5 table directly. So 5 eights are 40, 2 will be remained here, 5 fives are 25, and again 85. We can't get 85 in 3 table again, because 3 twos are 6, 2 will be remained, 25 will not come in 3 table. So we shall directly take 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 3 will be remain, 5 sevens are 35. Again 17 is a prime number, so we cannot go further. So 3825 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Okay, we cannot we can take 17 ones are here, no problem. So these all are prime numbers here. We have to take prime numbers. So these all are prime numbers. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number and 17 is a prime number. We have to take it in terms of prime number. That is the reason we have not taken 4. If it is something is divided by 4, then we will obviously get it in 2 table. So 382 can be written as 3 square into 5 square into 17. Now, remaining 4 and 5 problems are as a part of homework. Now, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by prime factorization methods. For the given numbers, first we have to find out the LCM. Okay, by solving LCM, like to find out LCM, you know the process, right? 12. This can be written as 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. That is 2 into 2 into 3. In the same way I have done all here. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15. This is all our prime numbers here. And 21 can be written as 3 into 7. We don't have any other factors of 21 here. Okay, so LCM is what is okay. First, let us go for HCF. HCF means what? Highest common factor. Okay, what are the common things here? In this 3, what is common? You can find 3 as common here, right? This 3 as common. Therefore, the HCF is 3 here. What is LCM of the 3 is you have to take the remaining things and whatever is common that you have to use only for once. Okay, this is other than 3 you have 2 square, that is 2 into 2. 2 square I have taken. You have 5 I have taken, 7 I have taken. The common multiple you have to take only for once. That is 3 is 3 we have to take only for once. Now what you have to do is 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 6 7s are 42. That means 67s are 420 is its LCM. The least common multiple of 420. Okay, of the 3 numbers 12, 15 and 21 is 420. That means you will get 420 these factors. You get 12, 15 and 21 as a common multiple of 420. That is the least common multiple. Okay, now second one is 8, 9 and 25. Okay, now 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 where they are prime numbers. 9 can be written as 3 into 3 common prime numbers. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Now what is the common factor here? We don't have any common number because all we have here is 2's, here we have 3's and here we have 5's. So we don't have any HCF here. And what is the LCM is? Here nothing is repeated, so we have to write everything. 2 cube, 3 square and 5 square. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 9 into 25, which is equals to like 25 into 8 is what? 25 4s are 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 8 is 200. Like 200 into 9 is 1800. So in total the LCM is 1800. For LCM these are the common multiples. Okay, now 306. This is the fifth one. This is first, this is third, second and fourth are as a part of your homework, and this is the fifth one. 306 and 657. 306 can be written as, okay, let's say 306, right? 2 ones are 2. As it is an even number, we are taking it as a 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. And again this is a odd number, so I am taking 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Now let me take with 3 again. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. 17 is a prime number. Therefore 306 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. Now 657. 657 is an odd number, so we cannot take in 2 tables. We'll go for 3 tables. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Again let me try with 3 tables, because it's an odd number. 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. Now 73 is a prime number, so we cannot make it further. So 657 can be written as 3 into 3 into 73. Now what are the common multiples here is? Here 2 3s, here 2 3s. Okay, that is 3 3s are 9. Now LCM is 2 into 17 and 73, and these 2 3s will be repeated here. 2 into 3 into 3 into 17 into 73. That is 22338. Okay, this is how we have to find the LCM and HCF of the given numbers. Okay, we have 4 remaining problems which we will be seeing in the next class. Thank you.